Now we also have another company here. It's Therapeutic Proteins, TPI, it's a South Incubator Company. And Sarf Niazi is with us, and he's going to talk about that. Sarf, take it from there.
Thank you, Governor. We are the only manufacturing company in the University Technology Park. We are manufacturing raw materials for life-saving biological drugs that we'll be exporting out of US. We were very fortunate. We have David Baker, Dan, and the Wexford Investments, and the state plans for tax incentives allowed us to get close to $30 million to invest in our manufacturing facility. And this couldn't be possible without the vision of everyone in this room and the leadership that your office has provided. We are making drugs which are life-saving by genetic engineering. We're the only company of its kind in US. And if you look at FDA compliance, we're the only company in the world doing it. By 2013, we will be exporting out close to $300 million worth of product, right from the third floor that we occupy in UTP and a half of second floor that we are going to occupy next year. Wow. We also intend to have licensing, which will be close to $1 billion a year. And these are the highest end drugs, the most expensive drugs coming off patent. Governor Quinn, you know very well that there is a severe shortage of drugs in US. 4 days ago, Barack Obama issued some executive orders, emergency orders. And part of it is because we have outsourced our manufacturing. And when those companies fall, we lose out. We have a firm belief that we can manufacture these drugs, even though these are high-end drugs, but any kind of drugs. Our strength is in technology. And that's what I intend to show to you. TPI has over 30-some patents, which makes it possible for us to manufacture these drugs at a cost where we can compete with any company in the world. And that is the strength we have brought to this technology park and that we intend to use. And I think in the future, if you are to have good supply and consistent supply of drugs, I think we have to bring back the manufacturing jobs back to US. And this new genre of industry, I call high-tech manufacturing, I think it still will benefit a lot by staying in the US. We were not very successful in raising any venture capital in Illinois. Somehow it's just, but we were able to raise all the money we needed from outside of Illinois. And I think if we have some kind of program that will promote the companies coming out of these incubators so they could go into what we have done into full manufacturing, I think that will be very helpful. And thank you, Governor, for all the support.
Okay, well, thank you. I want to thank SAFE. As you heard, this is a manufacturing company, and that's important. We build and make things. We know how to do it. We have Ford south of here. We're going to have a third shift. We're going to have 3 shifts at Ford. When I became governor, it was just 1 shift. We have Finkel Steel not far from here doing a great job on the south side of Chicago after a century or so on the north side. So whatever side of Illinois you're on, we want to be building and making things, and especially in the 21st century, we want to use all these innovative technologies to put them into the manufacturing process. And what was just pointed out, we have to have investment, capital. You can't have capitalism without capital. And so we really do need to get more venture capital here to help our businesses grow and really realize their potential.